What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content, all the videos. Literally let me know what you think of everything. And yeah, let's get straight into this one. So we've got a Allsaints t-shirt. This is called the Underground Crew. The color is ashen white. It is size large and it's £55. So it's called Underground Crew. That's the name of this thing that they got going on. So it's this logo. It is printed in. So Allsaints. It's got some Japanese writing, and then London. It's also got a print inside saying Allsaints, large, made in Portugal, oversized fit, 100% organic cotton. And then on the back, whoops, I'm going to knock over the tripod. It's got that Allsaints, the same logo as the front, but on the back. And I'll be honest, I really love t-shirts, hoodies, jackets even, with, you know, either plain at the front or a little logo at the front and then a big logo across the back. I don't know why I like it so much. I just think it looks proper good. It's a bit better than having a bit of plain. You know, plain sometimes is alright, but you know, sometimes when you want to zhuzh it up, yeah, you gotta have a little print or something on the back. But yeah, I really do like it. I really do like the fit, the quality. In terms of the fit, I've got other oversized t-shirts in XL, but the XL was huge in this. So this one fits nice in the large. I did have to try it on though, I'll be honest. I tried it on. I wanted to get it online. I really couldn't because I was like, I don't want to, you know, send it back and all that stuff. But yeah, large, perfect size, 10/10 quality. I think it looks really good worn. And yeah, let me know what you think about it. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.